What's up, you guys? Thank you for tuning into my channel. I just want to say, hey, Nail Baddies, how are y'all doing today? We are going to make a few different things. We're going to make some black acrylic powder, or at least we're going to try, okay? We're going to use what we got, okay? Because I do not have black acrylic, and I'm just using my drill to kind of, get it mixed up in there. This is going really fast. I didn't realize how fast this was going. But anyway, I seen these on Pinterest, and listen, I had to do these, but instead of square, baby, we're gonna do duck nails. Woo, woo, woo. But I've been seeing all the girls posting Halloween nails like right now. They just skipped all of August. They was like, we don't care about fall nails, we getting into the Halloween nails now. I was like, well, I'm gonna jump on the bandwagon. I want to do Halloween nails now too. So honestly, I'm probably not gonna do any scary stories like for my first Halloween nails. I'm gonna wait till later on when it get closer to October. When it get closer to October, that's when we'll start doing the scary stories. I'm not gonna start off right now with the scary stories. But anyway, I just went ahead and put a light bead. Honestly, if you want to know how to do my duck nails, I will link the video down below to how I do my duck nails. Is very detailed. This one I kind of just breezed through because some parts I kind of missed when it came to like filming. I don't know what's going on with me, but I missed some parts, so I kind of cut bits and pieces of what you can see because sometimes I was out of the frame. I messed up this one, but I said, you know what, I'm still going to show this video because I like the end result. I still thought they were cute, so I'm like, I'm still going to show this video. So with this Mia Secret powders, I had these like since last year when I first started my nail journey, and I never went back. So I was like, you know what, I got these powders sitting around, let me use them. And actually these Mia Secret colors was very pretty, and it has like little sparkles in it. Like, I actually like it, and it went on so nice. And honestly, I feel like it's the monomer that you use, because when I first started using these, baby, it could have been that I didn't know how to use nail liquid and all that other stuff. Well, monomer. Yeah, but these Mia Secret powders are actually nice. So I'm just doing like what I'm doing is a acrylic French. Like, granted, yes, I could have just painted on the Frenchie, but baby, I'm loving how the acrylic Frenchies are coming out. Like, it's a little bit, I feel like it's more work than just painting it on, but the end result, they just give me what I'm looking for. They look so crisp, they look just really good. So I like it. So I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna let y'all watch and vibe, Okay, so right here I'm just taking a black acrylic that I made, and honestly I feel like it wasn't that easy to work with. And I feel like black acrylic, like I've heard and I've seen people that use black acrylic like says not that easy to work with, but I heard Not Polish has a really good black acrylic powder. Like, they have a really, really good black acrylic powder, and I do want to try that. But it wasn't the easiest to work with. Like, the one that I made, it wasn't the easiest to work with. Maybe I could have used more clear, I don't know. But in the meantime, it worked. It did what it was supposed to do. And they actually look cute. They look good. So comment down below if you use black acrylic powder, any really good acrylic powders. Black acrylic powders, just comment down below, let me know. And while you're at it, let me know what you think about this set so far. And I just mixed up a dark purple because I feel like the purple chrome will go well over like a dark purple, because I'm trying to get that, kind of like the same web that was on the Pinterest video that the nail artist did, So yeah. My goodness, I forgot to mention that I finally hit 500 subscribers. Yay, yay me. And I just want to say shout out to you guys for supporting my channel, the ones that follow me, been rocking with me since day one, and I just really appreciate you guys so much. Like, I would not be at 500k if it wasn't, well, 500k not yet. Let's just put that into existence. But I would not be at 500 subscribers if it wasn't for you guys. I just want to say thank you for supporting me and being a part of the Nail Baddie crew. You know what I'm saying? But these nails came out so freaking cute. I'm excited. I'm excited for the rest of the Halloween nails. Spooky season is what we're gonna call it. But yeah, just shout out to you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.